Hey guys, welcome back. If you would like to see this eye look and learn how to apply liquid eyeshadow, then you already know what to do. Just keep watching. Okay, so jumping into my Juvia's palette, I'm picking up the shade Cameroon and applying it to my crease as my first transition shade. And guys, I'm super sorry for not showing Cameroon on camera, but it's like a burnt brown shade, and I'm just building it up until I'm happy with the color payoff. And I'm also using this Urban Decay Duo eyeshadow brush to apply it with. Next, I'm picking up the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going in with this shade right here and applying it right on top of Cameroon. We're going to blend those colors very well. And as you can see, I'm not taking the color above the crease. I'm just keeping it in that same area. After all of that is blended, I'm now taking this shade here and applying it to the top of my transition colors. I was going for a layered look in the crease area, which is why I popped a lighter color at the top. And I know my color placement is all over the place, but I'm still achieving that light to dark look in the crease section. Now I'm picking up this dark shade and I'm going to continue layering it on top of all the colors we put down. Y'all, it is very important to make sure you are blending your colors together, especially if you're using as many shades as I did. No, scratch that. No matter how many shades you use, you should always blend your eyeshadow. Like I always say, blending is essential. Okay, so now I'm picking up this shade here and I won't be applying it to the crease. I'm putting it right on the brow bone area, like so, like so. Finally, I'm picking up this metallic liquid eyeshadow by Profusion, and the best way that I can explain how to apply liquid eyeshadow is to apply it as if you are using concealer to do a cut crease. And also make sure you let it dry down in between coats. And as you can see, I'm just literally applying it the same way I would as if I were getting ready to do a cut crease. And y'all, I was watching an old JEFFREE STAR video and he was doing a review on some liquid eyeshadow, and I watched how he applied his and that's how I learned. My sister-in-law bought this for me a while back and I'm just learning how to use it properly. I'm going in with the second coat, guys. Fingers crossed that turns out just as good as the other one did. Well, actually, this one turned out better than the other one. It always does. Now I'm just picking up this dark shade and popping it to the outer V area. And what this is going to do is add more depth to my look. Next, I'm going back into this color here and I'm applying it to my lower lash area with the smaller end of that duo brush. And this is the last color. I'm popping it on top of the shade we just placed on the lower lash line and blending, of course. And guys, I also added eyeliner to my waterline. This liner is by Hard Candy. It's just a black eyeliner. And we are done. I mean, I gotta add lashes and foundation, which the foundation video is already up. So go check it out. And y'all, this was the finished look. I really enjoyed creating it. Please do not forget to like, comment, and hit that red button. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.